CRM provides us with a way to keep track of emails, phone calls, personal visits, etc. with our customers through customer interactions. Now, the first step in creating a customer interaction is to locate an account for that customer. I'm going to search one here, performance test. This is an account that I and other people who do troubleshooting and testing with CRM use, and it's one I can use for demos. And there's my account. Now in my search results it was returned, and to get into the account itself I go to the official name column and click on the hyperlink of the name. The default view when I enter an account is the snapshot view. You can see that here in the secondary menu that I'm in snapshot. Now to do a customer interaction, I scroll down to customer interactions. And CRM provides me with a wizard which I can use that will basically walk me through the process of creating an interaction. So let me click wizard. Now in my first step here it says pick correct account. I've never seen Siebel return anything but the correct account for a customer interaction, so you can be pretty sure that you are in the right account. Data call, that's pretty self-explanatory. I'll just make it for today's date. But again, though, by call, we could mean anything. Email, instant message, phone call, personal visit, you name it. It's just how did you call on the customer. Now for the subject, I'm going to name this in a way that makes it easier for me to find it in the future. I'm going to go ahead and put in my contact person's name, who I'll show you in a moment, Benway, CK, Physician, 2017. And that way it'll make it easier for me to find it later. Now for my key contact, the person I'm going to use, their last name is Benway. So I go to the contacts. Siebel gives me all of the available contacts for this account. You can see I have none under selected. So I leave it to the default of last name. Enter Dr. Benway's name. Now it's return the contact. To add him, I just click on the right pointing arrow, which will move it under selected, and click OK. So my contact's been added. Next section here, skip researcher interaction. I believe that's for use by our friends over on the RSS side of the business. Type of call, I click the pull down menu, and these are my options: visit, phone call, email, mail, etc. So let's just say I made a phone call. Now the wizard tells me to go next. Now the main product that was discussed, I can pick this from a pull down menu. If you're new, this might seem a little daunting. Once you're used to it, you'll know exactly where your products are. So we talked about clinical key. Now this is interesting. I can connect this to an opportunity. And I would do that by clicking on this icon here next to the opportunity and then entering my opportunity number. I don't have an opportunity created for this demonstration, but if I did, here is where I would put the number in and then link the two, the interaction with my opportunity. Employees, yes, that's me. And would you like to add details? Well, yes, I would. And I click on next. And then I can just put a note in here. Spoke with Dr. B. Looks promising for a spring 2017 purchase of CK. And I can just click on finish and I'm done. So I've been returned to the snapshot view, and to search up my interaction, I can come down here and search by interaction name. And remember, I made it Benway with capital letters. Put an asterisk there for my wallet card. Click the arrow, and now it found my interaction. I can click the interaction name to go into it properly. And now once I'm in here, I could rename it I could add my opportunity. I could add other notes, other contacts, anything that I might want to do to flesh out this interaction a little bit more. But in a nutshell, that's how you do a customer interaction.